Hello, today we will guide you through how to put stop loss in XM. To begin, open XM and make sure you are signed into your account so you can access the trading interface. Once you are on the main dashboard, take a moment to get familiar with the layout. This will make the next few actions easier to follow, especially if you are new to the platform. Next, look to the left-hand navigation menu and click on Market. This section is where you can browse available instruments and choose the one you want to trade. If you are not sure where to click at first, just focus on the side menu and find the option labeled Market. After that, select a sample symbol from the market list. This opens the instrument details page for that asset. In this example, the goal is simply to show where the stop loss settings are located, so the exact symbol is not as important as understanding the process. Once the symbol page is open, you are ready to move into the order setup. Now go to the top right area of the page and click either Buy or Sell, depending on the type of trade you want to place. Choosing Buy means you expect the price to rise, while Sell means you expect the price to fall. This action opens the order panel where you can enter your trading details. Inside the order panel, turn on the TPSL option. This stands for Take Profit and Stop Loss. Enabling this setting allows you to define price levels that can automatically close your trade. The stop loss is especially useful for managing risk because it helps limit potential losses if the market moves against your position. Once TP and SL are enabled, enter a sample value in the stop loss field. Be careful here and double check the number before continuing. Your stop loss should match your trading plan and risk level. Even when using a sample value, it is good practice to confirm that the amount or price level makes sense for the trade you are placing. Finally, review the order details and click on Place Order. This confirms the trade along with the stop loss setting you entered. Before submitting, it is always a good idea to quickly recheck whether you selected the correct symbol, order direction, and protection settings. And that's it. You have now placed an order in XM with a stop loss. Following this process can help you trade with more control and better risk management.